Hi friends, welcome to our new video Defense Career Options After Engineering. In this video, we are talking about the job options or career options in the defense field for an engineer. For easiness in explaining this, we are dividing Indian defense field as follows: Indian Army, Indian Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard, Central Armed Police Forces, Ordnance Factories, other defense manufacturing industries. In this, let us first start with Indian Army. Indian Army offers a golden opportunity to be a part of the world's finest army and get trained not only to be an officer but also a gentleman for life. Indian Army conducts multiple level of officer selection process every year. Entry schemes for an engineer in Indian Army. There are four types of entry schemes for an engineer in Indian Army: graduate technical entries, graduate entry through UPSC, graduate entry through non-UPSC, miscellaneous entry or territorial army. In this first, graduate technical entries. There are three types of graduate technical entry for Indian Army. That's are University Entry Scheme, Technical Graduate Course TGC Entry, Short Service Commission Technical. In this first University Entry Scheme, there are 60 vacancies are there for University Entry Scheme. Once in a year, they will call for this University Entry Scheme. Pre-final year students of notified engineering streams can be applied. 18 to 24 will be the age restriction. Those who are looking for apply, you have to sign in for www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. November to February will be likely SSB dates. Successful students will be trained for 1 year in IMA Dehradun. Second is Technical Graduate Course TGC entry. There are 60 vacancy for this Technical Graduate Course entry and it will be notified twice in a year. 20 to 27 years is the age for this entry. BE BTech in notified streams of engineering can be applied. Those who are wish to apply should online on www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Likely SSB dates are March or April and September or October. Those who are successfully completed will get a 1 year training in Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. Next is Short Service Commission Technical. There are 100 vacancies for this and twice in a year they will call for this commission. 20 to 27 years is the age restriction. Engineering degree in any stream, notified stream will be the qualification. Those who are wish to apply should log in to www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Likely SSB dates are December, January and June, July. Those who are getting this entry scheme should go for 49 weeks training in Officers Training Academy, Chennai. Next is Graduate Entry Scheme through UPSC. UPSC conducting Combined Defense Service CDS examination for the recruitment of candidates into Indian Military Academy, Officers Training Academy, Indian Naval Academy and Indian Air Force Academy. The UPSC will conduct CDS examination twice a year in the month of February and September. UPSC recruiting officers to Indian Army through two academies, that is Indian Military Academy, Dehradun and Officers Training Academy, Chennai. Indian Military Academy, Dehradun will take 200 people every year and they will notify twice in a year also. 19 to 24 is the age restriction and graduation from a recognized university is the qualification. Anyone who wish to apply should apply online on UPSC websites. Likely SSB dates are August or September and February or March. Those who are getting this selection should go through 1.5 years training in IMA Dehradun. Next is Officers Training Academy Non-Technical, Chennai. This also engineers can apply for this course also. There are 175 vacancies. They will call twice in a year. 19 to 25 is the age restriction. Those who are wish to apply should apply through UPSC website. Who are getting this training 49 weeks training should go through Officers Training Academy, Chennai. Next is graduate entry scheme through non-UPSC, is an NCC special entry. Those who are graduate with 50% aggregate marks, 3 years service in NCC Senior Division Army with minimum B grade NC certificates can apply. 50 intakes are there. Twice in a year they will call for this. And 49 weeks of training in Officers Training Academy, Chennai should be done. Next is miscellaneous entry Territorial Army. People who are already engaged in other jobs can apply through Territorial Army entry. Territorial Army they will call for twice in a year. 18 to 42 years is the age restriction, and there will be 30 days training under Territorial Army Battalion and annual training camp of 2 calendar months in each training year, and post commission training 3 months in IMA for 2 years of commissioning. That's all are the options available in Indian Army. Now let us see what are the job options available in Indian Navy. Before that, please subscribe our YouTube channel Mech Engineering World for the latest updates. Next is Indian Navy. An Indian Navy officer is a position of responsibility and has to serve as the leader of the future. Entry into the Indian Navy officer can be dream come true. Entry schemes for an engineer in Indian Navy. There are 3 types of entry scheme for engineers in Indian Navy. Graduate entry through UPSC, through Indian Navy Entrance Test INET, and through University Entry Scheme UES. First, graduate entry scheme through UPSC. Union Public Service Commission UPSC conducting the Combined Defence Service CDS examination for the recruitment of candidates into the Indian Military Academy, Officers Training Academy, Indian Naval Academy, and Indian Air Force Academy. The UPSC will conduct CDS examination twice a year in the month of February and September. There are 2 types of entry through UPSC in Navy are CDS through CDS examination and for NCC cadets. Through CDS examination, this entry consists of written examination conducted by UPSC followed by conduct of SSB interview, medical test by Indian Navy, then final preparation of merit list by UPSC. Then the appointment of letter is issued by Integrated Headquarters of Ministry of Defence or Directorate of Manpower Planning and Recruitment DMPR. For NCC cadets, the vacancies for Naval Wing Senior Division NCC C certificate holders with BE BTech degree are published along with the CDSE advertisement. No written test is conducted for this entry. The eligible candidates are required to forward their application direct to IHQ MOD Navy or DMPR through Direct General of NCC DG NCC. Then candidates are deputed for SSB interview. After qualifying SSB, these candidates undergo medical examination, then inducted in the Indian Navy on the basis of All India merit. Second type is through Indian Navy Entrance Test INET. Indian Navy Entrance Test INET is the officer's entry under the control of Integrated Headquarters Ministry of Defence or Directorate of Manpower Planning and Recruitment, and caters for both permanent commission and short service commission. The INET will be conducted twice a year. Candidates qualifying in the sections of INET exam to be considered for shortlisting to appear in SSB interview. These are the different posts that fills through INET: pilot MR, pilot NMR, observer, air traffic controller, general service executive, hydrographer, general service technical, naval architect, information technology, logistics, education, naval armament, inspectorate cadre, NAIC. Third one is University Entry Scheme in Navy. Through UES, a Navy selects unmarried male engineering degree students studying in pre-final year. Method of selection is received online application of candidates will be forwarded to respective command and headquarters. Preliminary screening test will be held in respective university itself. Integrated Headquarters of MOD Navy, shortlist application recommended by Command and Headquarters. Candidates will put through two-stage selection procedure. Those who are clear stage 1 will go to stage 2. Selected pre-final year students would be granted short service commission. After successful completion of degree course, the candidates finally selected will be admitted for pre-commission training at Indian Naval Academy, Edumala. That's all for the job options available for engineers in Indian Navy. At the starting of this video, we said for the easiness in explaining, we are divided Indian defense field as follows: Indian Army, Indian Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard, Central Armed Police Forces, Ordnance Factories, other defense manufacturing industries. Due to the time constraints, we are stopping this video here. Next, categories like Air Force, Coast Guard, Central Armed Police Forces, Ordnance Factories, other defense manufacturing industries will be explained in the next video. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel for getting next videos in time. This video is a part of 18 job chances available for a mechanical engineering video series. For the details of next categories of videos, please subscribe and share our channel Mech Engineering World and press the bell icon also. Thank you. Jai Hind.